Show you how we make a corner here with the block splitter. I want about an 8-inch corner, but unfortunately, because we have the block the other way to fit in double-sided, I'm gonna have to split it a little bit less than 8 because we need a good, maybe at least 1.5 to 2 inches for the block splitter to have a good split. So I'll probably do I got 9 inches there, I'm probably gonna do 7. Alright guys, so I had some music going in the background and YouTube would have hit me with a copyright claim, but what I'm explaining here is that the wall block system that we installed here is manufactured by Techo-bloc. It's called SEMA is the name of the wall block system, and what they do, which is really awesome in my opinion, is that every layer of wall block they put on a pallet, they give you 2 of these solid blocks so that you can custom make your own corners and not have to buy corners separately, which is really important to me. So check out the channel for the entire wall build video. Okay guys, I got the block in the splitter already. This is just a manual leverage splitter. My cousin actually just bought this a little while ago. It's brand new, really nice. First time I'm gonna be able to use it. So what's really important, I guess, to mention about this manual block splitter is usually they have a crank on both sides and you have to do them simultaneously. That's a really big plus with this one, is that this one crank lifts both of them up. And you guys out there that have used these before, I think know what I'm talking about. It can be hard to adjust it with 2 cranks instead of 1. So got that. I guess really the only thing to say is we got carbide blades on the bottom and the top so that it can split from both sides, and that's really it. You get it set up where your mark is. You also, when it actually comes down and rests on the block, that is about the position you want it in, maybe a little bit less. If you're higher, it makes it harder to break it, but if you go too low, you don't have enough room to be able to split it. So right there, I'm thinking is going to be a good level for us to be able to split this nicely. So we got it all lined up right where we need it to be. I'm gonna go grab the handle for this, and we're gonna see if we can make a nice split. So as you can see guys, I had to really bring it down to about right here. So like I said before, if you have the handle too low, you kind of run out of room to break it. So that's going to be the back obviously, but it gives a nice split face edge as a good finishing touch for the corners. So that's going to be, this is the front, this is our 7-inch front, and then our side, it's got a nice split face. So these block splitters are very valuable and good to have on the job site for this stuff, that's for sure. Because you know, you have a nice split face wall. Last thing you want to do is have a smooth face on the end. Kind of takes away from the look of it. So. guys. It's hot today. What do you think, Benny boy?
Yep, it's hot.
It's hot. Benny's kicking butt over here on the walkway to the basement door. It's looking good. You think, bud? You're glistening, dude.
Fuck yeah. Getting my tan on. Tanner by the second.
You have to bleep your F word out.
PH.
You
never heard of a puck?
ain't never heard of a puck before? So anyway, wall's done. Other than the cap, looks good. When we do these walls, we glue the corner pieces and the pieces right next to the corner with concrete adhesive. So I'm gonna pull those down and glue the corners, both sides. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this short video of how we split wall block and finish off the wall with the corners. The part that I'm doing right now is actually very important, that you glue the corners with concrete adhesive to lock everything together in place. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out the channel for a bunch of other videos like this, and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys. God bless.